In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Exness Trade online trading app from Google Play Store. If this helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, there are quite a number of methods you can use to fix this issue if you are experiencing it. In the first method, you need first to go ahead and open Google Play Store and make sure you are logged in with your Gmail. Then search for your app. However, if you are still unable to install this app or you got the same error even when you are logged in, then go ahead and again open Play Store, tap on your email here, and this time around scroll down to settings. Under settings, look for this option called network preferences and tap on it. Then look for app download preference, and if you tap on this, you can see we have quite a number of options here. From this, choose the first option over any network and then tap on OK. This will ensure that you are able to download and install Exness app over any network that you are connected to. Now, in most cases, this should fix your problem and you should have your app installed. But should you still experience any challenge, then you need to go ahead and find if the issue is with the Google Play Store app. For this, go to Google Play Store and long press on it, and you should see app info here. If you can't see app info, you should see the name of the app or a settings gear. Go ahead and tap on it and you'll be taken to Google Play Store app info page. At this point, we need to go ahead and clear data, more especially cache data. So if I tap on storage, you can see we have a lot of cache data stored by this app, and this might be the reason you are unable to install or download apps from Play Store. To fix this, go ahead and tap on clear data and then choose the second option here, clear cache, and OK. Then restart your smartphone and now open your Play Store and search for your app. So I'll search for Exness and here it is. Now I'll go ahead and see if it can be installed, and look at that. Now I'm able to install my Exness trading app. So that's how you can fix can't install Exness online trading app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.